Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and today we're gonna be working on these Kobe's. I found these for 30 bucks on eBay, and today we're gonna be restoring them. So I'm just showing you guys how messed up they are. As you can tell, the front cap is like very messed up. Sorry I haven't been posting a lot. I don't know, I just been tired. Don't want to do anything during this quarantine. But yeah. Now I'm just giving it the simple full cleaning of rejuvenator. As you guys can see, I haven't really gotten a new rejuvenator, but I will be getting it this week. So next video should be showing me having new rejuvenator. The shoe is very disgusting, and I totally forgot to wear gloves. But I made this video before I heard the news about coronavirus and whatever. Yeah, so I'm just giving it a regular deep clean. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. I'll be back when I'm doing something else. What's that? Okay, so now I'm just gonna be changing the shoes. I think I was cleaning the left shoe, and now we're gonna be cleaning the right shoe. I will be deep cleaning it because I'm probably gonna be selling the shoe. But yeah, it's a size 9. You know, if you guys want to hit me up on Instagram, then I don't care. I'm gonna sell it either way. So now I'm just cleaning the other shoe, giving it the proper deep clean. I'm gonna put them both in the bag, but I did forget to record me putting them in the laundry. So I'll just be skipping that and concentrate to the dryness and repainting the shoe. Okay guys, so now I'm finishing the right shoe, and now we're gonna be throwing it in the washing machine. I did forget to film it, but now we're just going straight to the painting. So as you guys can see, I'm gonna be using matte black to paint over the whole shoe. As you guys can see, there's a great blob, and I will be painting over the yellow thread. I know I'm probably gonna get a little backlash for doing that, but I personally think it would be better like that. It looks more sleek and more professional, you know? So yeah. So guys, here I realized I forgot my heat gun. As you would believe, one of the most important things to be painting a shoe. But we'll be getting it. So it is just decorated. Not to put a lot of heat, just the right shoe. So it's gonna be way more simpler and easier. So I'll just be skipping my voiceover and just get to the point. Okay guys, so I'm pretty much almost finished with the shoe and I'm done. Look, it looks beautiful guys. Now I think I'll be putting the matte finish to make it look splendid guys. So I am trying this new way of cleaning the shoe. I don't know if it's better or not. I'll be trying it a few more times, and if it's easier then it'll be better. I'll be doing it more like this, or if not, I'll just be doing it how I regularly do. So yeah, now this is just me putting matte finish so it could be protected from rain, you know. So yeah. Okay guys, so now we're nearing the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe for more content like this. And as always guys, stay tuned for this. So I'm pretty sure it was worth the while. It really took super long, but after this they look splendid guys. So now I'll just be lacing them up and get ready for B-roll. Zap.